Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly special for all you Minecraft fans out there. Get ready to dive into the world of blocky adventures with the best Minecraft pig costume available. Introducing the Unicorn Gift Unisex Kids Animal Onesie Pajamas, the ultimate cosplay costume for Halloween and beyond. Crafted from warm fleece and designed for maximum comfort, this pig onesie is not only perfect for gaming marathons but also for cozy evenings at home. Let's talk about what makes this pig onesie stand out from the rest. With its adorable hood featuring eyes, teeth, and a cute little piggy nose, you'll be the star of any costume party. Plus, the matching tail and chest design complete the look for an authentic Minecraft experience. Worried about finding the right size? Fear not. This pig onesie comes in various sizes suitable for kids of all ages. Whether you're 2 years old or 12, there's a perfect fit waiting for you. Just consult the size chart to ensure a snug and comfortable fit. But wait, there's more. This isn't just your average costume. It's a multifunctional piece of apparel that's perfect for sleepovers, cosplay events, Christmas celebrations, and everything in between. Talk about getting the most bang for your buck. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace your inner Minecraft pig and elevate your costume game to the next level with the Unicorn Gift Pig Onesie. Trust me, you won't regret it. That's all the time we have for today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest product reviews. Until next time, happy gaming!